right here in Schaumburg. Sharp at 8, they're going to have the largest India flag outside India. The flag poles are right there. Next to that, the United States America flag. Schaumburg, Illinois, India Hub. Congratulations to each and every Indian and to Harish Kulasani and his team. Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki jai.
Started getting into that independence movement, and Gandhiji became one of the idols that if they can fight, if they can tell Britishers to quit India, we can do it so. And
we are the ones also who make India proud and make Indians all over the world proud. There is actually a quote that I'd like to share with you guys from Will Turrent. India will teach us the tolerance and gentleness of mature mind, understanding spirit, and a unifying, pacifying love for all human beings. And I couldn't agree more. I think our
shows your passion, so you want to make it as an. This is a historic moment, as you all know, to everyone. Thank you. And we'll have a couple of cultural programs right now, and then we'll go for flag hosting. That way, we'll end the program with flag hosting.
representative for this community. I am very grateful to be invited today. Happy Independence Day. I am sorry that it is not a more beautiful day outside, but I think it shows something about the dedication and the spirit and the esteem that you hold your country and all of these precious memories, that you are here today and you are not deterred in any way by this. And I think that we will ultimately bring the sun out with our energy and our good spirit as the day progresses. And I know you have a lot of festivities planned for the weekend also, so we will have an opportunity for more good weather and to continue this amazing celebration. I, again, am so grateful to be included. I am so excited to have India Hub in this community and all of you. Thank you so much.
जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rattling, that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
I request everybody to join and sing with me because we don't get an opportunity to do this often. So it'd be lovely to hear all of your voices singing the Indian national anthem as well.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे
Welcome to Chicago. What a weather you brought, I think. Yeah, it was needed to cool it down. Dr. Asif Syed, we are celebrating India 78. Beautiful. Let's hear your greetings to the community at large.
You see, I would like to take this opportunity to greet everyone, all the Indian diaspora in the Chicago area, where I served as the Consul General for 4 years almost. It's a happy moment to be back because the family is here, and to come here and meet all friends on this very bright morning. Of course, it was a little rainy morning, but now turned into sunny morning because the spirits of all of us to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. What a glorious event this morning. 2 big flags, the US and the Indian, and to meet the community. I think India as a country is the hope for the world. in terms of what it can offer and what the people of India bring to the world, their knowledge, their love, their affection, and the developments globally where the Indians are always involved. Chicago has been a great city and always remains a great city, close to our heart. As I said, because we have been there. So we have more friends perhaps in Chicago than perhaps in anywhere for us. So so for me it is a great moment to be back, and me and my family are always very happy to participate in events, Independence Day and all other events of the community. So thank you so much for the love and affection shown to us always.
Thank you so very much.
Thank
Really.
you. Thank you.
Michelle Mushman, always there for the community, and this is your home, our home.
Yes, it
so
is.
how do you like that India have, like we have two large flags right here and forever?
Oh, I think it's a lovely addition to the community. It's very exciting. I know how much pride it brings to all of you. Happy Independence Day. Again, we are so happy to have India Hub here in Schaumburg serving all of our residents.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
आज भारत की बात करते हैं। 78वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस। मेरे साथ में है सीतापुर, उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तम प्रदेश, भारत, शिकागोलैंड, सौरभ श्रीवास्तव।
आप सबको भारतीय 75वें 76वें क्या कहते हैं इंडिपेंडेंस डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और ये ऐसी धाराएं बहती रहनी चाहिए और भारत प्रगति पे बढ़ता रहे और विश्व में नाम होता रहे। सबकी शुभकामनाएं आप सबको हैं।
धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। नमस्कार हरीश, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत बहुत बधाई, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, एंड it's a pride moment for all of us. I just spoke, it comes from heart actually. They'll be forever for us. The country, the Janam Bhoomi as well as the Karam Bhoomi, saath saath. Let's hear from you. You did mention you get emotional when it is talking about the flag hosting right here.
Of course, I mean, that's our connection, right? We are Indian Americans actually, citizens, but we were born in India, and that connection we cannot disconnect that connection. So when I saw this property, the first thing I saw is exactly this. This is what I want to see, and because I know by buying this property, I can have the largest possible flag in our property. So that's what we got, 55-foot high flagpole, and now we are seeing what we can do, which will not just having flag in front of the building, which is also reflecting on the building, if you can see on the glass and the granite. So now it's like I don't know how to very emotional, but I need to control, and I don't know, I'll just thank God, that's all. God made this happen, and we are all so proud. Every Indian American here are so proud now, and we'll do a lot. I mean, it's not just having a building and a big flag, big building, but it's more about what Indian Americans can do, because we are successful in every area, like it might be education, business, being CEOs of the major corporates, in everything we are very successful. Even family values, saving money and using it for the best, and now we will be
Fiscally responsible.
exactly and we'll be proving how much impact we can make in the greater community, like serve without borders. That's what we'll be doing through this building, and very soon we are hoping that, not hoping, we know we are getting Guinness World Record for having highest number of social services under one roof. That's what this building is about. So that is a proudest movement also. Obviously that is the best thing we could do as Indian Americans.
Thank you so very much for sharing. Wish you all the best. Good luck.
Thanks so much, Vandaji. Thank you for all your patriotic encouragement, I should say, always. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All the way from Michigan, Detroit area. Happy Independence Day. That's called fervor. That's called how you feel about, because when you heard and you came in here, first of all, congratulations. Let's all celebrate together. Your greetings to the community.
Yeah, thank you, and so thank you, Vandana ji, for having me on this, and Harish Kolsani has started this initiative, and happy Independence Day to all around the world, India, not just in Schaumburg, Chicago. So I am so proud of attending this program, because this is the tallest flag in around outside of the in India, and the largest community center of out of the India, and so proud to be part of this. And also this coming Saturday we are having this big parade going on for Schönberg and for whole Chicago. So please do join, and always look for the activities for indiahub.org. There are many activities that we are doing it. And as a Consulate General Chicago and 6th states, I am part of that, and I will be always coming to Schönberg to celebrate this Independence Day every year.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
भारत माता की जय। मैं जहाँ रहूँ भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ भारत ये रहना चाहिए। ये भावना हम सब भारतीयों के दिल में होनी चाहिए, जब भी हम भारत में रहें या भारत से बाहर कहीं रहें। और ये देशभक्ति हमें अपनी जन्मभूमि और कर्मभूमि दोनों के लिए निभानी चाहिए। तो इसी उपलक्ष्य पे हम लोग आज यहाँ पे उपस्थित हुए हैं। आज 15 अगस्त का दिन है और हम शिकागो में भारत का तिरंगा इतनी ऊंचे और इतने बड़े उत्सव में लहरा रहे हैं। ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत उपलब्धता है और ये हमें बना के रखनी चाहिए। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
Smita Shah, happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to all in America and all outside America. India, we are outside India, but India is within our hearts. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Thank you.